Hey families, this week we are going to be learning all about fiction and nonfiction books, and we are going to be comparing the two and talking about what types of things you would read about if you were reading a nonfiction book and what types of things you'd be reading about when you read a fiction book. And so this is what your packet looks like, or this is the portion of your packet that looks like that goes over fiction versus nonfiction, and it's inside your language arts packet. So this paper that's on the front, it kind of describes what's inside of the packet and also gives some directions about what you do, but I'm going to be going over it right now. So the first thing in your packet is a bunch of papers that looks like this, and they're paper clipped together. We're going to talk about this first. And so this is Nonfiction Ned, and it talks about how Nonfiction Ned, he loves to learn about new things. He likes to know the facts about toys and pets, and he thinks his real life is so much fun. So Ned, he learns how to do all sorts of things, and he learns all sorts of information by reading nonfiction books. So because Ned likes to learn about things that are real life, and he likes to get new information, he reads nonfiction books, and you can see it on the bottom, nonfiction books. If you take off the paper clip, there's a piece of regular green paper that's behind that looks like this. And so you're going to cut these things out. These are the things that let you know that you're reading a nonfiction book. So if your book has things that really happened in it before, then it's a nonfiction book. If you learn new information that's real, then it's a nonfiction book. If it teaches you how to do something, it's nonfiction, or if it has facts about a topic, it's a nonfiction book. So you're going to cut these things out and you're going to paste them on the back of your green paper so that when you're done, you have a paper that looks like this. On the front is Nonfiction Ned that talks about the kinds of books that he likes to read. Then on the back is how I know that he is really reading, or that you are really reading, a nonfiction book. So once you're done with that page, you're going to learn about Fiction Fran. And Fiction Fran, she loves to use her imagination and reads books that helps her use her imagination. She likes to read fantasies, so like things about dragons or superheroes or princesses. She likes to pretend things, so she likes to read books that have pretend things in them. And she likes to read books that have imaginary, amazing adventures. And so then on the back, see it says fiction on the bottom. These are the descriptive words of a fiction book. So fiction books are about things that did not happen, and they probably can't happen. The characters, they use their imagination, and they might help you use your imagination. It's about something that is not real, and it's something that is pretend. So again, you're going to get your Fiction Fran, and you're going to cut these sentences out, and you're going to paste them on the back so that when you're done, you have something that looks like this. So here's Fiction Fran. She likes to read fiction books, and these are the types of things that you would see in a fiction book. So that's the first part of your packet. The next part of your packet looks like this. It has a group of yellow papers that are stapled together. And there's an oval that has the word fiction in it, and here's Fiction Fran. There's an oval that has nonfiction in it, and here's Nonfiction Ned at the top. And then here are some strips about what a book's about. Okay? So you're going to cut these papers out, and then you're going to sort them into whether they would be something that Fiction Fran would like to read, or if it would be something about, or if it would be a book that Nonfiction Ned would read. And then once you have them sorted, you are going to make kind of a sunshine type thing. So here's the books. Here are the topics for books. Here are the topics for books that Nonfiction Ned would read, and here are the topics for books that Fiction Fran would read. Okay, so I have them glued. So this is what your final piece should look like, or that you have those things glued on. The last part of your fiction and nonfiction packet is this. There's 3 pages that are here. So at the top it says my favorite nonfiction story is, and this can be based on the books that I post on Canvas, or if you have a nonfiction book at home that's your favorite, you can draw a picture and then write why it would be considered a nonfiction book. So maybe this book tells me things about polar bears, right? And so that would make it a nonfiction book. And then there's also a page for a fiction story. So you'll draw a picture of something from the book, and then you're going to say why it's a fiction book. This is a fiction book because horses would never be a teacher, right? If it was a book about a horse being a teacher. And then the final thing that you're going to do is you're going to have a parent read these sentences to you, and then you are going to write whether it's fiction or nonfiction. So if it's a book about an elephant that is in the zoo, that could be a nonfiction book. If it's about using an umbrella when it rains, that could be nonfiction. If it's a book about me playing with a shark, that's probably a fiction book. So you're going to write an F for fiction or an F for nonfiction. Okay? So that's all that you need to know about your fiction versus nonfiction packet for this week. And I look forward to learning and working with you this week. And I'll hope you have a good week.